What's up? What's up? What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani. Welcome back to my channel. Now, you're a DJ and you want to get hired by someone like me. What is it that I'm looking for? Have you ever thought of that? Have you ever thought about what it takes to land an opportunity? Have you ever thought about what maybe someone like me might be searching for in the world to help complete or to further their business? In this video, I want to share with you some perspective on the things that I look for and the most important question that I ask when a DJ comes into my space asking me to consider giving them a home at my company, the SE Event Group. Before I jump into it, I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for supporting me and just this channel. I've started this channel a while ago to help level up and to push up, sharing my experiences, our DJ world in any way, shape, and form that I can. So on this channel, you'll find a ton of content. And if you are new and not familiar with some of the videos and some of the history of some of the videos here on this channel, on this page, here on YouTube, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite you to subscribe and support me and the journey here on this channel, because there's a lot of content that I think a lot of people that are looking to start or looking to further their career in the DJ or small business kind of world of events could benefit from, because a lot of the content, all of the content comes on either thoughts, opinions, or experiences that I've gone through as a business owner, but also as a legit working DJ in the private event industry for a long time. Now, let's get to the topic here. Let's start with the question that I ask anyone and everyone that comes to me looking for an opportunity with SCE. The question's simple. Why? Why do you want to come and work for SCE, and what is it that you're looking for? So I guess it's two questions. Why and what? And then I just sit back and I listen to what they say. I think you can get a lot out of this question from just what they're looking for and why, right? Like, what is the motivation around the decision? Are they chasing dollars? Are they chasing contracts? Are they chasing opportunity? Are they chasing something that they can't get? Are they being held back from their true potential? What is the motivating factor that is causing them to come to you and looking for a place to call home for their livelihood, for their DJ career, for their future? And this is a question you have to pay a lot of attention to, because in the answer, you will learn a lot about the person, I believe. So what is it that I'm looking for? Well, I'm looking for someone that's hungry. I'm looking for someone that is a fresh option in the world of options of SCE. And even more important than both of those things, I'm looking for someone that's gonna fit the vibe of our team. I wanna make sure that they, from a personality perspective, will kind of blend in with our crew. They're going to complement the crew. They're not going to take the crew and the chemistry that and the culture that I am so proud of that we all share at SCE and change the course or direction in a negative way. It's super important to me that anyone and everyone that's being considered to be part of our team, be part of our family, actually belongs there. And yes, they have to have a strong work ethic. And yes, they have to be a good DJ, but we can train you on that. But yes, they really have to be someone that you can get along with and that's easy to get along with, and just someone that fits the overall vibe of the team. I think establishing a culture and the overall, I guess, feels for the foundation takes a long time. And that to me is more important than the talent that someone possesses or anything else. The person that we consider has to fit the group in terms of a compliment, and I think that's super important. Now, what else do I look for? I think it's super important that if you are approaching someone like me in search of an opportunity, that you present your best foot forward and the best version of whatever it is that you're really good at. I'm looking for someone not to fall in line with what already is. I'm looking to create a path for someone that brings something fresh to the table in terms of not just a vibe, but maybe a specialty. I look to bring people into our fold that are going to help us do more in different places, touching different universes of people, different types of clients, different styles of groups, and everything in between. So if you're approaching someone like me, yes, you have to have your vibe right. You have to know what you're looking for and why you want to be there. And I think you have to bring something fresh to the table that makes it attractive from a business perspective to help us diversify what it is that we're already doing. And I think if you can keep that stuff in mind and you're a DJ searching for a home for your future, it'll help you get a little bit further when you find that ideal company that you want to work for. And if you're a business owner watching this, think of some of these questions and relate it to your space. See how you could use some of these questions or even remix some of these questions to help make the candidates you are identifying for employment or for opportunities that exist on your team, and see if you could use these questions to help make your decision process easier and so that you find the right person. You don't want to miss an opportunity of working with someone that is like the next thing that is going to be hot because you didn't ask the right questions, and that's what this video is all about. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. If I missed anything that is important to you, whether you're looking to work with someone or you are employing other people, leave the comment that you have in the comments underneath this video. Let me know what I missed. Let me know what you agree with. Let me know what you get behind and any thoughts that you have about this video in the comments underneath it. And while you're at it, why don't you do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button while we're here. Anyway, lots of content on deck here on this channel in the days, weeks, months ahead, and I appreciate you sticking with me to the very end. And I got another video. If you ever wanted to know what I missed before I started my company, I've got a video for you to check out right here. Check it out.